Hello, my name is Ludwig Joseph. I am a change agent with Action Bridge. And in this video, I'd like to show you how the Haitian diaspora might be insane for keep on sending money to the loved one in Haiti. And why is this causing more harm than good? For this, the Haitian diaspora every year send about 2 billion, about over 20% of the GDP in Haiti. Almost $2 billion in remittances to the loved ones in Haiti. Okay? And what does that do? Nothing. Literally nothing. Actually, people in Haiti are in dire poverty. They're dying. And yet we're sending so much money. And we keep on doing it. Year after year, year after year. Well, when you keep on doing the same thing and expect different results, isn't that insanity? Because we think that by sending money, we're helping our loved ones, they should get better, they should do better. But the reality is they're not. There's a problem, a huge problem. We're going to go a problem avec ça. And so, pour ça n'a pas de faire ça toujours. Il y a deux volets que vraiment et accentuer sur. C'est que problème non seulement il pas beaucoup en Haïti, parce que the people in Haiti become so dependent on it. So it's like their income. So they're not looking for work. They're not really being creative to do anything to earn their own living. So therefore, Mounsa have no parasites. They become a parasite depending on the diaspora. Okay? So Mounsa, when you're like, hey, let's l'argent, what they do with it? They buy clothes, food, and then it's gone. And the next month again, expect money from you again. So really, nous pas faire qu'un effet dans vie moun parce que moun nan vie yon parasite a dépendre de ou. Deuxième volet c'est que moun nan ki nan diaspora en pile nan yo they don't have any real savings. Yo pas gon l'argent au sérieux, yo pas investi. So moun ça chaque mois la vole l'argent ba moun en Haïti, mais il pas gon good sérieux investi si que gon problème. So moun nan ki diaspora, lè ko gon emergency, eh bien il pas gagne côté pot il a frappé. Et puis là que l'a dit mon en Haïti a combien de problème, mon en Haïti a dit on peut-être on en pays étranger, peut-être on travaille et puis ça arrive. So mon nan même oublié que on t'a aidé lui. L'autre problème mon nan dit ça t'a réglé. So ou même qui dans diaspora, on va perdre l'argent, ou pas gon good serré sous gon problème, sous gon urgence. And yet you send money every month to Haiti. Whereas you could use that money, save it, invest it, and return on it, and probably be better financially. But you get worse financially by sending money to Haiti, and the people in Haiti actually are not doing any better because money là you have money. So why the diaspora, that $2 billion, we couldn't use it to do better things or change lives in Haiti, actually build schools, bring jobs. We can make so much more impact with our dollar than we think. By sending remittances, by doing money transfer, that's not helping Haiti. That's helping your loved ones. Really, it isn't really helping them because they're still in poverty. Okay? So why we keep on doing that and expect them to get better? That's insanity. So what can we do? Well, for one thing, we can, bring our money together in the diaspora and bring jobs down to Haiti, build schools and build hospitals and build markets, build things that will bring jobs, that will put people to work, like a lot of the communities are doing it in their country. Okay? And secondly, we can actually, train, we can help people in Haiti as well, hold them accountable to, hey, si me voyez $200 pour me pas voir encore pour deux gars jour faire le brasser. Hold them accountable. Because là on connaît que on voit pour lui moun ça il pas vraiment take any pride in what so il pas prendre ça balle là en considération parce que on voit balle de jour mais si on pas vrai bon encore des gars font commerce font business moun ça vivre ou pas vrai pour lui la vivre bah essayer sous mourir moun ça vivre plus raide. OK? So don't pas mettre en tête tout que sous vrai qu'on va moun a mourir. Jolé. OK? Mon Haïti a soit balle la moyen plus qu'à vivre, la vivre. So apprendre ça. So besoin first of all you in the diaspora before you keep on sending money to Haiti, make sure your financial life is straight. Pas qu'à faire qu'on Haïtien puis ou pauvre, ou pas qu'on goût de serré ici et côté où vivre là, soit dans les États-Unis, Canada, Saint-Domingue, en Europe, wherever you are living, make sure your finances are in order. Vous pas qu'à faire l'argent par moun et puis pour pauvre, ou pas qu'on goût de serré, soit fait là, moun fouillé. Deuxièmement, soit vous faire sûr que moun soit vrai bal là, eh bien ou hold me accountable. Hey, ma voix ça bon, m'pas vrai bon encore. Dégage, fait le bois assez pour vivre parce que moi-même ou pas m'pas prendre soin. We have to stop taking care of people. I will say this, I don't mind helping you, but I will not take care of you. Moun nan gen 30 ans la tan l'argent dans mon toujours en diaspora. Moun nan pral marier en Haïti la tan pour voir soulier bal veste pour la marier. Mon cher, on go prêt pour marier, pas marier. So, il est temps pour que nous-mêmes dans la diaspora, nous mettions pieds nous à terre, pour qu'on bring about real change. Because money transfer will not help your people in Haiti. Don't get that twisted. They will not help. You have to do something differently than just sending money. That actually make them worse off. Thank you.